Good morning, my friends. Today, I'm going to show you just one window that by itself is worth the price of the whole Trade Idea subscription. Check this out. In this window, we're showing you how price and volume come together to show you which stocks really have the most relative strength. And it's clear right now it's ICVX, okay? Icosavex, they're a biological products maker, and they're just tearing, and they've been halted, and they're halted, I think, right now. But you can see from the chart, you're talking about a move from $4, $5 to 14. And this is the kind of move that every single investor is looking for. And I'm just showcasing the fact that it's Trade Ideas that's going to be always highlighting these moves to you first because of this type of window. It's the best vantage point. But when something like this is halted, you just look at number 2. Okay, here's another one. Take a look at this one, and you can see that ATXX also moving higher and potentially could do something similar. Hope you enjoy.